Alright guys, I'm going to show you today how to take out this air filter. It's a tricky one, man. It's this con right here. So I seen these videos online showing you guys you have to replace all this stuff right here. Looks brittle to me, which can break at any time and give you trouble. So I'm going to show you guys another method, and this is what I'm going to show you guys today. Is just an easy one. You just take out this cover right here on top. You just peel out the seal. You take out this cover. You're just covering that drainage part, and then you unclip these three clips. You just take them out of the way, right, like that. That comes out, and then guys, once you do that, you take this out. This number 8, there are two. One is right here, and then one's right on top over there. So you can just use an electric gun like what I'm using right here. Just do it quick. It's just fast. It doesn't really take time. And then it should be out. And then you just pull out this cover. You just take it out. Make sure your bolts don't fall down. Just put them in a nice spot and protect it from not to fall down, not to disappear. Then you take out the cover. Voila! You see, now we have access to our air filter. The access is just right here. So you take an L, this T20. You take a T20 and then you just unscrew them. There are three screws which holds the top part of the air filter. So guys, you just take your time, you take it slowly. I prefer this method over the other one because the other one you might just break something, and then guys, you might just be there to look for other means to just buy other things which are unnecessary. To me, I prefer this is the easiest method to do, because once this comes out, you can just install it back with ease, and then once that is done, you'll be good to go, guys. So just hang on with me as we do the process. So if you have access using electric gun, you can use it, then you can pull it out just the way it is. And guys, here we go. So once we reach here, guys, we just unclip this front part of the air intake. Then once this comes out, guys, this thing comes out, the whole of it. You don't need to unclip twice, like in the middle right there. It just comes out complete, just like that. Just when this comes out, guys, like this, guys, you're good to go. You just need to do the replacement. So you can access this air filter location from here, and it's easy. You do a replacement, and also make sure when you're putting back, guys, there's a clip down there. Make sure it locks into that clip right there. Once it locks into it, you just close it back in, and then you just do practically the reverse of what you just did right now. So it won't really take you long. Maybe what will take you long is maybe unscrewing the T20s, which is just right over there. That's the only thing which might take you time. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.